So today's little video is going to be a how-to of how I do my brows. So I haven't had my brows done in a very long time. It's been a couple of months and I've just let them grow out, haven't touched them, haven't done anything with them, but I have kind of been vibing that soft fluffy brow vibe rather than something a little bit more sculpted, which is what I usually go for. Probably gonna go back to that soon anyway, probably gonna get them done soon. But I've been loving the fluffier brow, just letting them grow, being a bit lazy. I'm kind of vibing it. So I'm going to show you guys how I achieve my more fluffy, softer brow and what products I'm going to use for that. So if you're keen to see how I do my brows when they're a little bit more full and fluffy, then keep on watching. Alright, so the first thing I do is give them a comb through. Now this is just a Luxie brow and lash brush. So it's just got a little spoolie in the end. I give them a brush upwards and comb through and get the right shape that I'm sort of looking for. And then I'm going to grab my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade 4.5. Alright, now this is a really good one because it's super precise. And I'm going to start right here in the beginning of the brow and just start flicking the pencil up. So kind of creating little hairs where I have gaps. And because I'm liking it more fluffy, really flicking upwards. And then I'm going to start bringing it up through the bulk of the brow, just constantly doing little hair-like strokes, giving it a little bit of shape, but I'm following where my natural hairs grow rather than creating a nice big arch like what I usually do, because as you can see my brows are quite straight and I usually like to create a bit more of an arch. With these brows I find I'm a little less precise. And then when I get to the tail, I'm going to fill in this sort of bare spot in here by creating more little flicks. And then I'm going to give them a brush through as well. Again, I always give my brows a brush through over and over just to make sure they're nice and blended in. And now I'm going to do the other side. It's funny because when I have my normal sort of sculpted brows, this one is my mission. This one is my harder brow. We all have the one brow we don't like, and that's usually this one. But when I have the fluffy brows, this one works better. I don't know why. But the one area I do have to get into is here. I have a nice bald spot that doesn't want to grow. And to give it a little bit more definition, I'm going to grab my Benefit High Brow Glow. This is a really nice little highlighting pencil, and it's good to get right under the brow here, just under the tail, just to give it a little bit of a lift with a highlight. So I'm just going to come under here. And draw a little bit just under the tail, and then I like to pat it in with my finger. And same with the other side. It's very subtle, but it just gives that little bit extra. And then as always, give it a brush through. Alright, so that was a short little tutorial for you guys, something nice and small and quick. I just wanted to show you guys how I'm working with these fluffy brows that I don't do, that I don't get done. I definitely need to go and get them taken care of soon, but I am just enjoying this for the moment. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this little quick tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this how-to, and I will do an updated brow tutorial when I get them done next and show you what I'm doing now, because it's a little bit different to how I usually do it. But yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and then click the like button as well if you liked this video, so I know to upload more how-tos for you guys. Pop some comments down below as well. And yeah, thank you. I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.